We're standing in front of a Mercedes G63, and if you're looking to give this car or a G550 an even bolder stance, this BRABUS carbon fiber hood attachment is the upgrade that you need. Now, it comes in a gloss carbon fiber, and it has that power dome shape to give you that aggressive and redefined look, which is going to elevate your G-Class to an undeniable presence on the road. Now, this genuine BRABUS carbon fiber hood attachment is designed to enhance the front end aesthetics of your G-Class while maintaining that rugged appeal. Now, we're going to break it down component by component and show you what it's all about. First thing on this front piece, it's manufactured from a premium gloss carbon fiber. This power dome is going to enhance the G-Class distinctive front end, and it's going to give it an even more commanding appearance. Secondly, this is engineered for a seamless fit on both the G63 AMG models and the G550s. This hood attachment integrates flawlessly with the factory hood without disrupting any of the aerodynamics. Now, the hood is lightweight yet durable. That carbon fiber construction is going to add strength to it without unnecessary weight, keeping performance and style in a perfect balance on your G-Class. The installation is straightforward and designed to work with the OEM mounting points, ensuring a secure and quality fit as well. Now, this isn't just about looks. BRABUS has been a leader in performance-driven design for decades. This carbon fiber hood attachment is going to complement the aerodynamics of your G-Class while giving it that high-performance, motorsport-inspired style that BRABUS is known for. Now, overall, whether you're looking to upgrade the style or enhance your road presence on your G-Class, this piece is going to fit like it came straight from the factory. Now, if you want to take your G-Class to the next level, the BRABUS carbon fiber hood attachment is the perfect finishing touch. Check out the link in the description below to get your hands on this 100% genuine BRABUS piece directly from our site at accessoryinternational.com. Now, we've teamed up with Masterpiece Auto here in Miami, Florida to bring you all of the genuine, highest quality BRABUS components available on the market. If you have any questions for us, call us at 786-242-5400. My name is Alex at Accessories International, and thanks again for tuning in.